Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Google Pixel 9. Okay, so let's begin. So the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So let's begin. First up, we need to launch the power menu. To do it, simply we need to tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So simply click, and that's how you launch the power menu. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on restart, and then the screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and then ready to use. Also, I will tell you that it is good from time to time to perform the restart, because of that process you will delete some of the background processes and the phone will rest, let's say, like that. So now simply tap on restart. As you can see, the screen went black, and within a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and ready to use. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.